right, so this lesson is basically to show you guys a shortcut when you're doing discounts or markdowns if you did the lesson before. So if you paid full price for an item, you're paying 100% of the price. Okay, the full price 100%. But if the retailer marks it down 10%, what would you be paying afterwards? Well, if they 100%, if they marked it down 10%, you're only paying 90% of the full price. So you've kind of got two options here. And I think one is a little bit quicker than the other. But if you can't quite get your head wrapped around it, feel free to do it the other way. There's two ways you can do this. Okay. You could, if you know that they're marking something down 10%, you could calculate 10% of the price and then subtract it off. Or two steps, right? Calculate 10% and then turn around and subtract it off. Or if you think just a little bit, if you're paying 100% and they mark it down 10%, you're only paying 90%. You can just find 90% of the full price and you're done. That's what you have to pay to get out of the store with the item. So that's what this is saying down here. You know, the percent that you pay, that you're going to pay, is 100% minus their discount. Okay, so 25% off, you're going to pay 100% minus 25%. That's 75. You're going to pay 75% of the full price. Okay, and that's how I'm going to do these. If you can't work that, you can calculate 25% and then go back to the full price and subtract it off. It will work out. It might be a penny off depending on how you round, because mine's going to round a little bit differently, but it's ultimately the same. So I'm just going to do one or two of these. Excuse me. So Deborah Lee has a 25% off coupon and is purchasing a watch for $125. So she, and this isn't something that I would do on paper, but full price of the item, 100%, right? She's got a 25% off coupon, so she's only going to have to pay 75%. So 0.75. She's going to pay 75% of the 125. So this is all you would really have to do. The nice thing about 100% is that's a nice kind of round number to subtract from. It should be pretty easy to get your final percentages. So $125 watch, she's only paying 75% of that cost. She's walking out of this store with that watch for $93.75 before taxes and any of that jazz. But that's what she has to pay for it. You could... No, I'm not even going to bother with it. All right, regular price of a pair of men's jeans is $37.99, but it's being marked down 20%. So you only have to pay 80% of that price. $37.99, 80%. You're paying $30.39 for these jeans.